I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and I am super excited to welcome you to the Spring Open Garden, which is set for Saturday, May 13th from noon to 4 p.m. As you can see, I have accidentally created a nursery in the front yard, and I'm counting on all of you to come out here and gather all of your favorite native plants so that you can have a high impact, low maintenance garden that will bring you joy and happiness year round. Now, I have cherry picked the very best varieties of trees, shrubs, and perennials that I know will do really well in this climate here in central North Carolina, Zone 7. And these landscape plugs are the absolute dream to plant. They are ready to go directly in the ground, no potting up needed. And this tiny hole will be super easy for you to dig. So we are selling these plugs for $5 a plant, 6 for $20, or fill a 32 tray for $100 even. Mix and match with all of your favorite varieties. And not only do we have beautiful flowering perennials, but we have awesome native grasses that are for sure to fill in all of your open spaces and make it pollinator friendly and beautiful year round. So be sure to come out and visit us at the Spring Open Garden on Saturday, May 13th from noon to 4 p.m. Happy gardening, everybody.